Chapter 12. Animals living together. Let's talk. Hi Ria, have you ever touched a squirrel? No, Antra. It is very shy. It never comes close to us. Commit to learn. Why do animals live in groups? Animals' behavior. Animals' babies love to play. Give and take relationship. Ears of animals. Body hair of animals. Honeybees. Animals are found everywhere. They can be found in thick jungles, high mountains, deep oceans, very cold places and hot deserts. The surrounding area or the environment in which animals live is known as their habitat. Have you ever wondered about how animals live in their habitats? Some animals live alone, some live in pairs, but many live in groups. They live and hunt for food together. Lion cubs playing. Some animals live in small groups, for example, elephants, zebras, horses, buffaloes, wolves, lions, deer, beavers, penguins, flamingos and baboons. Some animals such as ants, bees and termites live in large groups or colonies. A colony of ants, for example, may consist of thousands of ants. There is strong cooperation in an ants colony whereby each member has a specific job to carry out. A dazzle of zebras. There are ants responsible to defend the colony and attack other colonies. These ants are called soldiers. There are ants responsible to look for food and feed the members of the colony. They are called workers. There is an ant called the queen which spends her whole life in laying eggs. A group of ants. Why do animals live in groups? Animals live in groups for the following reasons. For protection. Weak animals such as fish and birds which are prey to other animals usually move in groups. By living in groups, they can protect themselves when they are attacked by predators or enemies. For looking for food. Predators such as wolves hunt in groups. They cooperate to hunt their prey. For caring for their young ones. A group usually consists of a few parents and many young ones. The parents cooperate with each other while caring for their young ones. For building shelter. Beavers build their shelter together. Living in groups helps animals to find or build their shelters easily. Animals' behavior. Animal behavior is the scientific study of the wild and wonderful ways in which animals interact with one another, with other living beings and with the environment. Animal behavior includes communication, navigation, foraging, mating, parenting and social cooperation. Different animals have different kinds of nature. Let us study about the nature of some animals. Shy animals. Throw some rice or breadcrumbs in the open. You will see birds, squirrels and other small animals come to feed on them. Observe them carefully. You will notice that all birds and animals do not come near the food till you are around. They are shy and pick the food only when there is no one around. Some animals like deer, rabbits and squirrel are shy by nature. They run away as they hear unusual sounds or see humans. Deer, squirrel, rabbit. Friendly animals. Some animals like cows, pigeons and dogs are friendly by nature. When you give them food, they immediately come to eat it and become friendly with you. Farm animals such as goats, hens and ducks are also friendly by nature. They are not afraid of people and move around the farm freely. Dolphins and fish are also friendly sea creatures. Pigeons. Animals' babies love to play. All animal babies enjoy playing. You must have seen dogs and cats fighting with each other. Sometimes they roll over or pull and push each other. Babies of wild animals also play with one another. Puppies are playing. Give and take relationship. Have you seen a bird riding on the back of a cow? These birds are cattle egrets. The birds that ride on the backs of giraffes, rhinoceroses and oxen are called oxpeckers. These two types of birds eat insects which live on the skins of animals. In return, they warn the animals with shrieks when they see an enemy. The oxpeckers, The cattle egrets. Ears of animals. The primary function of ears in animals is to detect sound. Some other functions of ear in animals are big ears of some animals like elephant, rabbit keep them cool. Ears help the animals to hear the sound of predators, so that they can escape and prevent themselves from them, etc. African elephant with big ears. And invertebrate animals. Crab, ladybird, octopus, seahorse. Invertebrate animals, such as insects and sea creatures, do not have ears at all. Some, like sponges, are primitive simple animals that do not need hearing, smell or taste senses, and therefore they lack those sense organs. Body hair of animals. One of the important functions of body hair in animal is that of insulating against cold by conserving body heat. The differing colors and color patterns in hair coats can also serve purposes of camouflage and of sexual recognition and attraction among the members of a species. Animals like cows and buffaloes have short hair as they don't live in cold areas. Fish and snakes have scales. Yak with its long hair, fish with scales. Honeybees. Honeybees are social insects as they live in large groups and build beehives on high branches of tall trees. Honeybees are of the following three types: queen bee, worker bee and drone bee. Honeybees in hive. Honeybees get attracted to flowers because of their sweet smell and bright colors. Flowers produce a sweet liquid called nectar. Honeybees visit flowers to get this nectar. They have a long tube-like tongue called proboscis. When they sit on the flower, they insert the proboscis into the flower and suck the nectar and collect it in their hive to make honey. Honey is collected safely from the beehive by burning fire under it. The smoke and heat of the fire force the bees to leave the hive. Once they fly away, honey is collected. Honey is used as an antiseptic and helps in the digestion of food. It is also used in making medicines for cough and cold. Let's recall. The surrounding area or the environment in which animals live is known as animal habitat. Some animals like deer, rabbits and squirrels are shy by nature. Many birds, reptiles and fish do not have visible outer ears. Honey is used as an antiseptic and help